and the validity is till September 15th, 2021. Okay, you can see this is so far we have been the verified supplier, supplier on Alibaba International. Okay, thank you. Okay, so you can see that every year so far the online sales on Alibaba International for EB China is more than the turnover is more than $3 million US. Yes. Okay, so Wu Zhen, could you please show another certificate to our friends here? Yes, you can see that this is audited. We are also the audited supplier, made in China. Yes, so every year made in China also appointed SGS to our company and our foundry to make the on-site audit. The latest one was done on June 15th, 2020. So you can see EB China so far has been the audited supplier. Yes, okay. Yes, okay. So everything is very clear. So yes, as you may know, EB China specializes in high alloy castings and forgings. Yes, so far our foundry has passed the three management system audit. Okay, first one, we'd like to show you our quality management system certificate. Okay, so this one is 18,000. Yes. Okay, 9,000. This one. Yes. Okay, so you can see this is ISO 9001-2015. So Wuxi Eternal Bliss Alloy Castings and Forgings has awarded the ISO 9001 Quality Management System. Yes. So this quality management system complies with GBT 19001-2016, ISO 9001-2015 requirements. This certificate is valid for our scope supply of alloy castings and forgings. So you can see our certificate number, certificate date, certificate valid date, and the date of initial certification. You can also find our company's unified social credit code of our certified organization. Okay, so everything is shown very clearly on our this certificate. Okay, next one. Yes, we'd like to show you the 14,001. Yes, 14,001 certificate is about environmental management system. Yes, and you can see our environmental management system complies with GBT 24001-2016, ISO 14001-2015 requirements. This certificate is valid for the following scope: supply of alloy castings and forgings and size. So yes, you also can find the certificate number, certificate date, certificate valid date, and date of initial certifications on this certificate. Okay, so thank you. Okay, so this one is for about. Okay, Hu Zhen, could you please introduce for us? So what's the certificate about? Yeah, this is
protection,
yes,
health, and safety.
system certificate. Yes, yes. So this certificate, it's about occupational health and safety management system.
With GPT 45001.
Yes.
2020.
Yes.
And ISO is 45001 2018.
Yes. So this certificate is
valid for the following school.
yes. So
Fly of annual castings and forgings and seats.
yes, this is our, also our supplier of scope. Yes, supply scope. Yes, we specialize in high alloy castings and forgings. So our customers also can find the certificate number. Yes, yes.
Certificate date.
Yes.
Certificate valid date.
Yes.
Date of
Initial certification. Yes. Also, this code is for our company. This is a unified social credit code. Yes, for our certified organization, also EB China. So everything is clearly shown on this certificate. Okay, thank you. Okay, Jen. So I think we have another equipment here. Okay, so my dear friends, if you have any inquiries, if you have any inquiries or any questions about our high alloy castings and forgings, please feel free to contact us, to send us the inquiries. Yes, especially send us the drawings, material grades, and quantities. Then we will try to quote you the best prices for you. Thank you. Okay. So now we will come to the next section. Okay. Okay. So as you know, EB China not only just focus on the production and marketing the high alloy castings and forgings to the overseas market. We also focus on the research and development of new materials and new production technology. Yes, of our high alloy castings and forgings. So you can see so far we have 22 patents. 22 patents. So yes, okay. So please show us. Yes, show us. We have many different patents from this page. Okay, this is this patent is for political chromoly alloy castings and heat treatment method. And this patent is for a kind of material handling baskets. Yes. And this patent is for a kind of mining lifter bars. Yes. Yeah. This patent is for about casca bands. Yes. Yeah, many different patents. Totally, so far we have achieved the 22 patents. Yes, many different. Yes. Okay. Yeah, this patent is is about heat resistant steel heat treatment baskets. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Also, we have achieved the computer software copyright certificate. Yes. Yeah, camera is here. Yes. Okay. Many different patents and software copyrights. Okay. Okay, there. This is our brands. You know, so far we have applied for one brand, five brands, five brands. Yes. EB Weld, EB Cost, EB Forging. Okay, thank you. Okay, this one. Okay, so we also would like to show you another. Yeah. You know, so far we have been the member. EB China is the member of Wuxi Commerce Chamber. Yes. So we are very actively participate in the Wuxi Commerce Chamber, and we also we are also how to say have a high social responsibilities. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Okay, so far you will see, you will understand, you will make a better understanding about EB China. Okay, so far we'd like to start our topic today. You know, today we'd like to show you the new concept of fine crushing grinding technology, yes, in cement and mining industries. Yes, okay, thank you. So EB China specializes in three kinds of alloy groups. The first one is wear resistant, yes, wear resistant group. And the second one is a heat resistant steel. The third one is corrosion resistant steel. Also, so today we just discuss the first one, wear resistant steel. Wear resistant materials. You know, the main topic is the boltless ball mill liners. Yeah. Okay. Yes. You know, EB China has advanced technology about boltless ball mill lining system in cement and mining industry. Okay. Okay. So Hu Zhen, could you please, yes, read this for us. Read this abstract for our friends here.
Yeah.
I think that I suggest you can, yes, here. Okay, Hu Zhen. Yes, okay. Okay, thank you.
Ball mills systems energy. This paper extrudes the compressors and actions of size and chemical loads in the fine crushing and grind process, and put forward a new concept of fine crushing and grading in center and mining industry through the ending of the working conditions and operation of each working part of the mines.
So let's move to the next section. Okay, so what today this speech is based on paper. Yeah, paper, and this paper. So what's the main content for this paper?
This actually is process that similar knives and metal gratings all will be the best combination in center ball mill energy. This actually introduces a new type of load criminal cast iron ring for my with grading process.
The process, yes. So For all the topic today, we will discuss the keywords keywords are grinding board, grinding process. Yes, no, the camera is here. You are trying to face this camera. Okay, so yeah, just like this. Okay.
4 miles,
Internal structure, yeah, gradation. Okay. Ceramic liner.
Elemental grading wall.
Yes, good.
4 miles system.
Engineering, yes. Okay, good. Okay, next page. Okay, so the first part is the introduction, yes. Okay, so what we will talk about in the introduction?
Cement and mining industry
Cement and mining industries, yes.
are the ethical industries in the nation.
Yeah, national economy, yes.
They have the
Characteristics of sustainability, yes. Yeah, okay.
large
Volume and
high energy
consumption, yeah, good.
therefore high
Efficiency,
efficiency and low
consumption, yeah, good.
are
Prominent topics in the cement and mining industries. Okay, good. So,
looking at the
domestic and foreign markets,
there are great ups
the
and downs.
downs, yeah.
And
Fierce competition, yes.
Talent, order in process, competition, quite and cost.
It's quality and cost, yes.
Therefore,
Technology upgrades and equipment optimization should be the top, yeah, priority of current enterprise development. Yes, yes, the words are very long and also are very professional. So yeah, it is a little difficult to understand. So far, my dear friends here, can you understand us? Okay, so now we are talking about the boatless bomulines. Now it's the introduction. Okay. Okay, let's move to the section 2. Okay, so what's the section 2 we are talking about?
about the new
Concept.
fine crushing and grinding process.
Yes. So today our new concept is about fine crushing and grinding process. Okay. So
Fine crushing and grinding
production.
is my length in percentage produce.
Mhm.
And quantity which
Benefication. Yes.
which our completion
Mhm. Which power consumption accounts for
nearly 70%
yes 70%
of the entry produce.
entire production process. Yes.
Therefore, the improvement
Mhm.
of the fine crushing and grinding process.
Yes.
The main goal of the
Enterprise. Yeah.
action
To achieve
achieve
energy saving.
power conservation
Yeah. Power consumption reduction.
and
Yes. Efficiency improvement. Yes, this is yes, okay, let's move the next part. Our new concept of fine crushing and grinding process has a big significance in the energy saving and production efficiency in the cement and mining industry. Okay, so
in the segment
cement, yes,
small and medium sized
mines, yes,
the actions of
application,
of your process have
mhm, resulted
in a
fast
improvement in
Mhm.
the
production,
production process.
yes,
The high degree
Efficiency.
efficiency
Yes.
of microchip
Function.
of the roll process.
Yeah, ruler press. Promotes
Crushing and breathing
separation,
and
eliminating
the crushing
function.
function of ball mill.
Offside surface. Okay. However,
After the
technological advancement,
roll process,
ruler press. Yes.
design of ball mills and the
Internal structure.
of the mill
Yes.
didn't make any chrome
Corresponding. Yes.
of all process until the new working completion of
Conditions. Yeah. Position.
the ball mill from the process point of view,
Promoting.
promoting the ball mills and
Adapted to
the new
material.
working environment, future improvement,
Further improving
the
work efficiency of the ball mills. Yes. Perfectly combining.
Many the rule process has become a new
Yes. Okay. So let's move the next page. Okay. So traditional theories can no longer meet the development requirements of cement and mining technology upgrades. Yes. So therefore, we propose a new concept of fine crushing and grinding technology. Okay. So, what's the significance of our new concept process? So we address here again. Okay. The first one, establishing
working start of
steps. Yes.
of the roadmap
Formulas.
for the new entry condition.
Okay. The second point is effectively combining
It will the roll process.
ruler press. Okay. Then the point 3.
Crashing the output,
Point. Oh yeah. 4 point. The first point.
reducing energy concentration,
Okay. The fifth one.
improving
Particle shape. Okay. The sixth one.
reducing
Optimizing particle structure. Okay. The last one.
Scratching for the highest strength of center.
Okay. Good. Okay. So let's move the next page. So, okay. So in this section, we will talk about the ruler press. So what's the ruler press?
The roller press is an app
Efficient.
fine crush.
Yeah, fine crusher. So what's the fit size?
Generally below 50 millimeters.
Uh-huh.
The size of the controlled meaning less than 5% of the roller
Diameter. Okay, yeah, this is a formula. Okay, so what's the output size?
generally below 6 millimeters. In view of the working
Principle.
of the roll process,
Mm-hmm.
it will produce a large amount of
Micro materials. Okay, so now we can see the fit size and output size for the ruler press. Okay, so we can see that ruler press actually is a kind of fine crusher. So what's the application of the ruler press? First point.
company change the
So Hu Jun, your camera is here. Stand here. Just try to face your camera. Okay.
she changed the crushing by grinding process of the ball mill.
Okay, how about the second point?
Eliminating
Eliminating
the
concept
of the crushing beach in the
cement mills. Yes. How about the third point? Increasing.
the less
Yes.
of grinding of the
Cement mills.
mills that create about 4 in the
Existing
existing working
conditions. Okay, good. How about the last point?
This
Greatly.
greatly improve the
The efficiency
efficiency of the crushing and grinding
process. Yeah. For
process.
cement plants. Yes. Small and medium size. Yes.
This is a size
Significant
process
improvement. Okay, good, very good. So in this section we have, we mentioned the application of the ruler presses from the 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 from the 4 points. Yes. Okay. So let's move the next section. Okay. However, the wide application of the ruler press and the change of the new material working conditions did not cause any change of the ball mills. But the ball mills are the core equipment of the fine crushing process. So throughout the domestic and the overseas ball mills used in the grinding section, we can see that. Okay, so please. 30-meter long.
Still 30 meters long.
Yes.
All 3
Compartments.
are still 2 or 3.
Compartments. Okay. So.
The ball grinding is still ball grinding. The stepped lines is still
The stepped liners
is still
are
stepped
still
lines.
stepped liners. Yes. Okay. So everything in ball mills keep unchanged. So how shall we do? Okay. So next page. Okay. So.
The ball mill will the highest energy
Consumption.
and
Yes.
the
Lowest efficiency. Yes.
in the center cement and mine crushing process still remain unchanged.
Okay, so let's move the next page. Okay, so you will see that the high efficiency of the ruler press, the low efficiency of the ball mills, and the fierce market competition have forced some people to dislike the poor and love the rich. What does it mean? Okay.
The ruler process is used in an
Attempt.
attempt to replace the grinding by crushing
Yes.
with a closed
Cycle
ruler
press.
system.
Yes.
Try to press the
Final
hard
cores below 80 microns.
40%,
Good. 50%. Yes.
60%, and 70%.
Good. Also
Declare
declare.
no balls with practical action.
Yes. Okay. But under such special circumstances, ball mills should be changed. So how shall we change the ball mill system? Okay, let's move to the next page. It's well known that replacement of crushing.
Grinding is not only
Okay. Yes.
but
replacement
Upgrading by crushing is not good
either. Okay, but shall we do? Okay. What shall we do? Okay. In the current production process, cement and mining industries,
the mining equipment is the ball mill, which
yes,
can't be the
discarded.
more
More importantly, similar to the vertical mills, discharge
particle shape of the ruler process
ruler press,
many flex
yes,
and
a regular,
irregular shapes,
yes,
especially in the center.
cement industry,
It comes from a district.
it comes from a dense structure,
In a later
concrete production, yes,
concrete,
compared with
the round particles of the ball mills, water springs
yeah, the water storage capacity of concrete,
which is made from
cement,
is increased by 6 to 8%.
yeah, 6 to 8% increase.
Produced by press
Rulers, yes,
which
good.
is many
Flake,
and
irregular particles, yes. Okay.
water is void.
Yeah, water is a void. It's empty. Increase the increase in water,
is not only
increase of cost,
but also increasing
reduction,
reduction of
concrete quality, yes,
the
increase,
in water through also means the
decrease of concrete fluidity, yes,
which also cannot be the requirement of modern
construction, yes. Okay, so you can move to the next page. So you can see that in the current cement production, ball mills are the very important equipments. Although it has how to say, high power energy consumption, but with so far the more important thing is that we will try to find a better solution to improve the efficiency of ball mills. Okay, so
therefore the important
concrete,
projects
yes,
cement in black or having protect foreman should not be the first company.
yes, cement in flaky or irregular particle forms should not be the first consideration. Yeah, because the concrete quality is the first important consideration. Yes. Okay, so my dear friends, if you are interested in our high alloy castings and forgings, especially for ball mill liners, please feel free to contact us, to send us the inquiries, and also follow our shop. Thank you. Okay. Yes. Irregular particle, yes,
will
affect the yield.
of concentrate
Powder, yes, concentrated powder, yes, very good.
there are different
Opinions,
on the
granularity, yes,
of the ruler
press. Okay, so what's the our new concept.
New
Concept, yes.
leave that the
Theoretically,
about 100 and 500
microns.
will work
Adjusting.
the particle shape left
Mhm.
or views.
Mhm.
The particle findings
Should be
pro-
properly left.
and the heart
Huge power.
of the ball mills should
Mhm.
be
Available.
for working.
Yes. Okay. So let's next. Yeah. To next page.
Actually,
Yes.
working conditions
Conditions. Mhm.
and the main requirement of crushing and
Mhm.
burning.
Mhm.
The ball mills which consume
Mhm.
but not open.
Electricity. Yes. 13 meter long. Yes. So our ball mills in so far for the most cement ball mills, and the length is about 30 meters. Yeah, very long, 30 meters. Increase.
The accuracy and energy saving is necessary to give full play to its
Effective
effective working
capacity. Yes.
the 13 meters long grading
Journey. Yes. Okay. So let's move to the next page. Yes. So in the 13 long grinding journey in the cement mill, how shall we improve the production efficiency for the cement mills? Okay.
therefore the discharge
Particle.
size of the inner process must be
Determined. Yes.
according to working condition and the
Maximum
maximum working
competitive capacity.
of the ball mills.
Yes. So we have to consider these factors. Okay. So let's move to the section 4. In this section, we'll talk about the ball mills. Ball mills. Okay.
A ball mills.
Yes. What are the ball mills? Okay.
A ball mill is a type of grinding machine. The
Rotating
rotating
cylinder. Yes.
drives the grinding balls and the
Materials.
in the
Mill.
mill
Compartments. Yes.
to rule
Mhm.
and slide together.
Slide.
Metal
The material.
is rubber
Yeah, it's dropped. It's dropped,
from the
deformed,
and becomes fine between
finer.
between the grinding balls and the grinding balls.
Yes. Also between the
Grinding balls and the
mill liners. Okay, good. Okay, so let's move to the next page. Okay, so my dear friends here, if you are interested in our high alloy castings, forgings and machines, please feel free to contact us, to follow our shop on Alibaba, also to send us emails to mention your requirements such as the specifications, drawings, material grades, and quantities. Also your destination port. Then we will prepare for the complete quotation for you. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So what's the photo about?
photo is about
Cement.
mill with
Yeah, cement mill.
diameter
Diameter.
of 3.8
meters, yes. Okay, what's the length?
13 meters.
Yeah, it's 13 meters. Okay, so from this photo you can see that this is a kind of this is a set of traditional cement mill. You can see this cement mill is full of boats, full of boat hulls. But with our boatless cement mill lining, and all these boats will be removed. All the boat hulls will be removed. Okay, so there should be a big change on your cement mills. Yes. Okay. So let's move to the next page. Okay. So what's this photo about?
Photo is about the bone mill
Mm-hmm.
after the medical
Mm-hmm.
mill.
What's the diameter?
About 11.2 meters in
Diameter. Okay. So yes, you know this is also the ball mills. This is in mining industry, and these ball mills are following sand mills. And the sand mill diameter is 11.2 meters. It's very big in the world. Okay. So what's the statement?
the statement is that small energy more impact is not
It's not
actual.
accurate. Yes. Okay. Mm-hmm.
With application of HG mills, HG mills in
Yes.
large
Mines.
and with the wild
Application.
application of
Presses. Yes.
the
Cement.
industry and medium and small mines.
Yes. Yes.
The required for the pricing factory
Function.
of ball mill can be being eliminated.
Yeah. Eliminated. Yes. Okay. So
The gradient
theory
theory of my ball
of mine ball mills,
and
cement ball mills,
becoming more and more
consistent. Yes. Yes. Okay. So
the working environment and the working
hoppers
are becoming more and more
consistent. Yes. Okay. So yes. Now we come to the grinding theory. Okay.
less of the whole ball mill we are discussing 8 to 13
Meters. Yes. So generally, you know, the length of the ball mills, especially the cement mills, is 8 meters to 30 meters. Yes.
Yeah. Which is the most in the
Current
current working
conditions.
of the
Cement.
industry and mine.
Okay. So
For the
for operation
with the ruler
price
under the
material.
conditions.
Yes. Whether
Whether the ball mill is the best choice
choice. Diameter.
and the length of the ball mill shall be
Selected
the working
theory. Yes.
of H mills and SH mills is for crushing
Function. Yes.
above are not gradual
And not within the scope
of our discussion
of
today.
yes. So okay. So but what we will discuss today? Okay. Let's move to the next page.
Ball mills is a kind of grinding machine with simple
Simple structure. Yes. Convenient maintenance. Yes. Production. Stable production. Yeah. Operation. And reliable. Yes. Suitable.
For large
Scale.
industry
Production. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Adaptability. Materials.
and wood particle shape
Structure of the final product. Irreplaceable. So far, yes. Okay. So let's move to the next page. Okay.
was raised in
1891.
until today. Ball mills have been widely used in buildings,
Mining.
cement, coal mine, power plants,
Chemical
chemical and
engineering. Yes.
power and other industries. The mill's
Diameter.
diameter ran from 0.5 meters in the power industry to
12.2 meters. Yes.
in modern man, and the smell gas ran from 2.1 meters in the
Chemical engineering.
industry 14.5 long
Cement industry. Yes.
the mill has created
Means.
in the history of modern industry.
Yes, good. Yes. So actually, you can move to the next page. Can see that ball mills are very important fine crushing and grinding machines in cement and mining industry. Yes. Okay. But the true situation is, unfortunately,
Few people really understand ball mill.
yes.
In the fine grinding process, a ball mill is okay
It's the
developed
key.
to improve the
Efficiency,
and reduce the energy
consumption. Yes. Okay. So what shall we do now for the ball mill system? Okay.
The ball mill is a low
Efficiency.
grinding machine
Yes.
which
Eff-
operates
Effective.
power generally about 15%
Yes.
in view of the working
Principle of the ball mill. Equipped with
with a driving motor with a
huge power. Okay. Huge power.
which with the development of
Industrialized production. Yes. The specification of
crashing and
yes.
grinding equipment
equipment
becomes larger and larger.
becomes larger and larger. Okay, so for example, at present,
Present, the company cement mill
yes,
usually 3.8
yes,
to 5 meters in depth.
in diameter. And what's the motto?
The motto is with 2,000
Yes,
AD
2,800. Yes, to
305
3,500 kW. Yes, okay, good. Okay, so what's the next point?
In large amount,
Mm-hmm.
that
Diameter.
diameter of the communication
Commonly used.
for use
Mm-hmm.
6 to 8
Meters. Mm-hmm.
and the power is 4,000 to
15,600. Good, very good. Okay, so how about the third point?
Yeah, power
Installed.
installed power
Mhm.
8 miles and 30 miles 20 12.2 in
Diameter.
diameter,
Mm-hmm.
which come from the
Variation.
variation of the ball mills
Mm-hmm.
and reached 28,000 kW.
Good, very good. Okay, Jen, could you make a photo for Mr. Hu? Okay, so, okay, let's move to the next page. Okay, go here. Okay, so my dear friends, all worldwide here, if you are interested in our products, high alloy castings and forgings, please feel free to contact us to follow our shop and send us an inquiry about high alloy castings and forgings, especially the boltless ball mill liners. Okay, so when we receive your inquiry, your drawings, material grades, quantities, then we will try to work out the best prices for you. Okay, thank you. So let's continue. Okay. Thanks, Jane. Please.
The large size ball mills not only
Consume, yes.
food in
Huge energy.
energy,
Mm.
but also are rotation in
Harsh,
harsh working conditions,
yes.
which make a higher requirement on
Wear resistant materials, yes.
For example,
Mm-hmm.
similar onto medical mine mill will
Diameter,
diameter of
37 meters. Yeah.
or more.
Mm-hmm. The service life,
Of 1 feet of mine
mill liners.
line.
Yeah, what's the thickness? It's a 400 millimeter thick. Uh-huh. Yes. So for the mining mill liners, even though the thickness of the liners is more than about 400 millimeters, but the service life in the common mining grinding, the service life is just about 3 meters. This is for shell liners. So the working condition is very severe. Okay. Okay. So what's the conclusion?
Therefore, the ball mill must increase
Yeah. So the ball mill must increase the efficiency, yes, and reduce
energy
consumption, yes.
So the new grading
Concepts
of ball mill system should be
introduced, yes. So today we will introduce the new concept of ball mill lining technology. Okay.
In fact, the working condition of ball mills in the cement and mining industries
Mm.
have
Undergone tremendous changes. Yes.
adaptation
application.
Application of process.
Yes.
HTML and HTML and reduce the feed size of the ball fields to the
Micro level.
the so-called crashing
Silo. Crashing silo.
and that out inlet
Mm.
and the material
Multi-compartment. Yes.
compartment
Mm. Division. Mm.
of the ball wheels meaning
Yes. Meaningless. So effective. Less. Mhm. Mhm.
For the
Efficiency.
improvement,
Mhm.
and power
Consumption. Reduction.
of the body
Yes.
under the new working condition.
Mhm.
The first important task is to create
Clarify.
what's the main job for the body.
Okay, so what's the main job for the ball mills in the current cement and mining industry? Okay, let's come to the next page. Mhm.
The new concept believes that
Mm.
the job of the body is
Mhm.
to
To adjust
adjust the
Yeah.
shape
Mhm.
of the metal
material.
materials and close to the vertical and
Circle.
circle and portion.
Yes.
Adjust
Yes.
the price
Particle structure.
structure of the discharged metal
Material.
to the basic spirit and
Step.
step as much as possible.
Uh-huh. So what's the conclusion?
To make the cement of present highest
Highest quality. Yes. Okay.
to make the oil
Mm.
of tree
Obtain the highest selection rate. Yes. Okay. So this conclusion, states the two industries. The first one is for cement industry. Yes. We improve the ball mill performance to make the cement to present the highest quality. And the second industry is for mining industry. We improve the ball mill efficiency, working efficiency to make the ore to obtain the highest selection rate. Okay, so let's move to the next page. Okay, so we can get a very surprise conclusion. Okay.
Perhaps one day the ball mills will change its name to shaping machine.
Okay, shaping machine. Okay, it's a very nice imagination. Okay, let's move to the next page. Okay, so now let's move to the section 5. Section 5 is about the internal structure of the ball mills. Okay, it's very important part. Okay, so
Under the new working conditions,
to adapt to the
work,
yes
the
internal structure.
of the ball mills must be changed.
Yes, good. Okay. So how shall we change the ball mill internal structure? Okay.
For the new
Concept.
single
Compartment.
mill,
Yes.
employing meaning
Canceling.
canceling the
Intermediate diaphragm place. Yes.
and you may know the German
Intermediate.
will
Mhm. Yeah. Affect.
the ball mill
Mhm.
have the fast
Fastest wear. Mhm. Yes, called the main maintenance. Okay, so
Base of the single rim well
simple chamber mill
set
set.
is the simplest
Simplex work. Yes,
of the ball mill.
yes.
The great refreshing system before the entry in the mill.
Completed
Pricing the
materials. Yes. Okay, so chamber
mill.
unified.
The work of the ball mills
Yes,
to make the metals
the materials in the mills.
Run more stable and smooth.
Smoothly. Yes. Okay. Also,
It makes the
quality
quality of the
materials.
material in the metal more
Consistent. Yes. Okay. So now we put forward a new concept: single compartment mill, single compartment cement mill. Okay. So
it's not that single
compartment mill.
meal is not by me.
No mean. It's by no means
And
simple
and removing the
intermediate. Yeah. Diaphragm
grade
plates. Yes.
more than 20 years ago.
Mhm.
Over the whole system
Mm-hmm.
through
Ball mill system engineering theory. Yes.
the working
Procedure.
of the ball mills is
Comprehensive scientific.
system energy.
Yes. You know, earlier than 20 years, we put forward the ball mill system engineering theory. And in that theory, we mentioned that the working procedure of the ball mills is a comprehensive scientific system engineering. Okay, so
Depth of
13 meter.
in the ball mills is a long journey
Yeah, it's a long journey
for the grading
material. Yes.
based on the application of the
Mhm.
metal. The single cranial mills,
The maximum diameter
diameter of the
material particle structure. Yeah.
particle strength of the
Material.
material are different from the beating end to the extended end. Each grading
Section.
section of the ball mills have different compartments for the running
Trajectory.
trajectory
Yes.
and the
Activation.
activation of the
Material.
and the
Grinding media.
Therefore, it must not
Remain unchanged. It means the ball mills should be changed. Okay. So
some line
the mill liners.
new line in the single well are often signed to consist of 5 or 6 types.
Okay, you can. Okay, good. Okay. So now now we come to talk about the mill liners. Okay. Generally the mill liners in our single chamber mills are designed to 5 to 6 types of liners. Okay, so okay, so
in the industry
mm-hmm,
of the of us
mm-hmm.
with a diameter of 3.8.
Yes, generally, now we have done the industrial test on a cement mill. The cement mill is the diameter. No, just for example, the diameter is of the cement mill is 3.8 meters, and the length is 30 meters. 30 meters, and we have installed our combined self-fastened boltless formula liners to the single chamber cement mill, and the length is 30 meters. So far, this mill has been successfully operated for 7 years. Okay. So what's now after the industrial test? What's the conclusion we can get compared with the traditional mills?
The output has increased by 20%, and the power
Okay, the output, it means the production has increased by 20%. 20%. Okay. So how about the power consumption?
power consumption per ton
Mm-hmm.
only about 25
kWh, yes. Okay, so for grinding 1 ton cement, the power consumption with our single chamber mill and our boltless mill lining system, the power consumption is just 25 kWh. Okay, so also what's the phenomenon we found? Okay. More importantly, service life.
Service life of well restaurant.
Yeah, resistant
Resistant
materials.
have been increased by more than 50%.
50%. Okay, it's a great improvement. Okay, the third point is that the service life of very resistant materials has been increased by more than 50%. It means that the service life of mill liners and grinding balls can be more than 50% increase. So it's a great improvement. Okay? So another test. Uh-huh. Diameter.
Of 4.2.
Mm-hmm. Okay, just stand here to try to face the camera. Okay.
13.5 meters long.
Uh-huh.
Output per hour as high as
200.
290 pounds, grade 42.5
Electricity consumption.
per ton is about 24 kWh.
Okay, so now just now we made an industrial test about the cement mill, 3.8 meters and 30 meters long, and now we made another industrial test. The cement mill is 4.2 meters in diameter, and the length is 13.5 meters long. Okay, so what phenomenon we found? Okay, the first one is the output per hour is we can achieve is 290 tons. Yes, and you know the cement grade is 42.5. Okay, so another factor we found is that the energy consumption per ton is just about 24 kWh. Okay, this is also a big improvement. Okay, so how about second page? Okay, so now let's move to the section 6. So section 6 is about the gradation of the grinding balls. Okay. Okay.
The ruler process.
Yes, press. The ruler press.
The grading process system, the pressing
Function.
of
Yes.
the ball mill
Mhm.
no longer needed.
Mhm.
The new concept believe that grading greater
Gradation. Theory. Okay, so what does it mean? Yes, you know, with the wide application of ruler press, you know, the ball mills will not be used to achieve the crushing function, just for grinding. Okay, so the new concept believes that gradation is a schedule theory. Okay, so let's move to the next section.
The so-called gradation makes
Solid. Theoretical basis. Effective proof. Long-term.
operation of the ball mill.
Is it impossible to achieve?
The large to the more grading difference. The more
The more chaotic, longer running time. Yes. Okay. Let's move to the next page. Okay. Yes. So now we also talk about our new concept. Yes. Our new concept believes that only a uniform ball diameter has the greatest grinding ability, because a uniform ball diameter has the largest contact area with the material. Yes. Okay. Diameter. Yeah.
The smaller the
Contact area
between the ball
and the material. Will be. Yes. Okay. So in this section, we are talking about the grinding ball size. We believe that, you know, in a single chamber cement mill, only one size balls, you know, will be used to achieve the highest grinding efficiency. Okay, so let's move to the second. Okay, so
in all mill industry
experiments,
on
uniform. adopted.
adopted with
Regardless of
particle
shape.
particle
Structure. The cement output, yes.
power
Consumption, yes. Good results, yes. Okay, so next to the next page. Okay, so actually we have conducted many different industrial experiments on mill lining and grinding balls. Okay, so let's move to the section 7. It's about the choice of liners and the grinding ball materials. Yes. Okay. So. Resistant materials selected. Liner. Maintain surface profile.
For a long time in the mild operation.
Yeah, in the mill operation. Operation. Yes. Okay. Okay. So this is our idea. Excellent. Materials. Produce. Consumption. Okay. So, our dear friends here. So, if you have any interest in our high alloy castings, forgings, especially for the cement mill liners, please feel free to contact us. Firstly, to follow our shop on Alibaba, then to send us inquiries to us. Okay, so when we received your inquiry about mill liners, high alloy castings and forgings, then we will prepare for the best quotation for you. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's continue. Okay. Liners.
And the grinding ball.
Yes.
Resistant.
Yes. Materials. Yes.
Which can achieve
Effective. Operating level. Spear. Yes. Relationship. The mill liners.
And there are real between them.
Okay, so let's move to the next page. Okay. So what's the relationship between the mill liners and the grinding balls? Okay.
Taking the grinding process
Represented.
represented by the cement industries as an example.
Uh-huh.
The
Preferred material.
for
Liner.
welding balls
Undoubtedly.
high
High chromium.
chromium.
High chromium cast iron. Yes.
However, how shall we choose among the well
In the current market,
we
recommend
the
three principles.
for choosing high
Chromium,
chromium
iron.
welding balls.
Okay. So what's the principle? First one is carbon content.
About
3%. Yes. How about the second one? Chromium content. 15%. Okay. How about the third principle? 60. It should be more than HRC 60. Yes. Okay. Good. So now we talk about the three principles of grinding balls in the cement mills. Okay. Now?
Believe that only the highest
Quality.
will resistant
Materials
can
create performance ratio. Complete heavy task. Increasing efficiency.
and reducing
Consumption. Scale. Production. Equipment. Okay, good. Yes. Okay. Yes. So our new concept believes that only the best wear-resistant materials can achieve the best grinding efficiency. Yes. Okay. Approve of current popular chromium 8. Yeah. Concept. Material. To the yield. Scientific. Rationality. Chromium. Iron. Invented. Germans. 46. Chromium 15, moly 3. Yes. Okay. Yes. Yes. So we think 8% chromium, 10% chromium, 11% chromium are not suitable. You know, to make the cement mill balls, cement mill liners. Okay. Okay. This is an example. Sleeves. We developed semi-heavy industry. Yes. Chromium. Yes. Yes. Moly. Nickel. Yes.
0.6% copper.
Yes.
In the
Comparative.
test,
Conductive.
by scientific industry, well response.
The wear resistance.
Resistance of the well resistant level
Sleeves.
used for if the by
37%
completion
comparison.
of the water from
German
German
elephant.
which helped the scientific industry to
Occupy.
provide the international market share.
Yes, good. Okay, so this sample is, is the actual case. We developed a kind of very special high chrome white iron just for Southeast project. They required the very high operation white iron. So the alloy we designed is very high carbon. It means 3.7% carbon and 26% chromium. Also, we add some wind and 1.8% moly and 1.2% nickel, 0.6% copper. Yes. Okay. So then when these sleeves, high chrome, high operation sleeves, were used in the production, then we got the comparative test. Yes. Just in comparison with the German elephant products and the wear performance of our white iron cast sleeves was increased by 37%. 37%. Yes, that's a big increase on operation. Yes. Okay. So let's move to the next page. Okay. Yes, simplified chemical composition design. Wear resistant materials. Production. Yes. Resources.
Our countries
Iron ore. Yes. Content. Beneficiation. Yes. Kilogram of iron. Yes. So in comparison with Australia, Brazil, our iron ore content is very low. So we should take the big advantage of every kilo of iron. Yes. So we should find a very good, very resistant materials to be effectively used in cement and mining grinding process. Material selection. Yes. impact value?
Value is more than
10 GA. Yes. Okay. So this section is we talk about material selection of grinding balls, especially in mines and in mine wet grinding process. Yeah. Okay. So in mine wet grinding process, we strongly recommend our new low chromium cast iron grinding balls. Yes. Okay. Okay. So.
the competition of high quality grinding balls and
Ceramic
liners
liners
can
effectively
produce
chromium pollution. Yes.
pollution of extreme
Chromium.
environment have received
It's irreversible. Yes.
and the billions of tons of cement and
Flags
slabs cause
pollute.
the environment every year.
Yeah, the consequences
Are very serious.
yeah very serious. So we should try to avoid the pollution coming from the grinding balls and the mill liners. Yes. Okay. So let's move to the next page. Okay. So today's speech is very informative. Okay. So if you understand our new concept for fine crushing and grinding process, please try to leave some message for us. We'd like to make a further discussion with you. Okay, thank you. Also, do not forget to follow us on our Alibaba shop. Thank you. Okay.
In the of ball mill distance in the journey,
Whether
it is kilometer or miles, whether it is
dry
or
weight,
the grinding process, we do not
hesitate to recommend ceramic liners. Yes. Okay. So it's a big improvement. We believe in our new concept. We believe that whether in dry or wet grinding process, we strongly recommend ceramic mill liners to match the best the grinding balls with the best abrasion performance. Okay. Okay. So what's about this?
It's about
Ceramic
ceramic
mill liner, huh?
liner.
Okay, this is a ceramic. This is a ceramic mill liners in cement mill. This is a high chrome white iron. All these are boatless mill liners. Okay.
So are the similar to
Ceramic. Successfully. Ceramic liners. Impeccable. Conducive ceramic liners. Yes, you know the experiment for our ceramic mill liners in the cement mill diameter 3.8 in diameters and 30 meters long. Our ceramic mill liners in this cement mill has been successfully operated for more than 60 months, about 5 years. 5 years. Okay, so we just installed one ceramic lining conference of lining, just one circle. Between neighboring them, the ceramic liners all are high chrome white iron bottless mill liners. So although the working condition is very severe, but our bottless ceramic liners also operate very well. Okay, so let's move to the next page. In theory. Ceramic.
Liner is more than 3 times that while the weight is only 0.46 times that non-custom air. The application of the critical liner will save the totally protect the land with from greater reducement of step production, reduce level industry works, and increase the transportation, reduce energy consumption,
Energy consumption. Okay, so actually, on theory, the wear performance, the service life, also we said the wear performance of ceramic mill liners is 3 times of 15% chromium iron mill liners. So, but the weight, of ceramic liners is very light. It's very light. Okay, so let's move to the next page. Ceramic.
Liner has granted crash by the wear of the liner. When critical liners are used in machine with
High alloy.
high hardness.
Yes.
Grading bolts.
Extremely effectively
Reduce the environmental
pollution of hexavalent, yes, chromium, yes. Okay, so let's move to the next part. Okay, so what's the conclusion?
The ball mill has
Entered
air
of ceramic liners. Okay, so the ball mill has entered the era of ceramic mill liners. Okay, good. So this is our conclusion today. Okay, we firmly
believe that in the ball mill system and the foundation of the
ceramic
liner and metal all will
spread to cement, mining
and other industry
worldwide. Yes. Okay. ceramic.
Will make a
Brilliant contribution
to the China
manufacturing. Yes.
manufacturing.
Okay, so this is the very big significance for our ceramic bootless mill liners, because we think that the ceramic mill liners will make a brilliant contribution of 2025 China manufacturing. Also, the big change in the worldwide cement and mining grinding process. Okay, so yes, so okay, so finally we will get the following conclusions. Okay, the first one is
The new
concept.
concept of crushing and grinding technology.
Yes,
Increase
increase.
the of the volume by more than 50%. Save about 50% of electricity by more than 50%.
Okay, good. How about the second point?
Under the working condition, the working of the exciting for mills have undergone
Fundamental.
change necessary to
Fully
still
study.
the whole mills and use
Comprehensive.
to improve the
Effective.
power of the whole mills.
Yes. How about the third point? Okay. Okay. Would you please stand here? Try to stand here. Yes. Yes. To face the camera. Okay. How about the third point?
The whole grading through
The ball grading theory. Yeah. Uniform diameter. Greatest balance. Yes. Oh, okay. How about the point 4? The single chamber. Surface. Consumption. Okay, how about the point 5? Excellent. Excellent. Wear resistant materials. Yes, good, very good. Okay, how about the point 6?
In the whole mill system, editor cell make
Okay, so yes, okay, how about the point 7? Okay, so let's move to the first page. Okay, so today, our speech is about the new concept of fine crushing and grinding. Yes, it's a long speech and very informative. If you have any interest in this new concept, please feel free to leave your comments. Yes, comments, and we'd like to make a further discussion with you. Okay, so today's speech is very informative, and also thanks for Mr. Hu Zhen's help. You know Hu Zhen. What's your major? Computer science. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, Hu Zhen's major is computer science, but he also tried to practice his English. So today in this speech, and he also held the live show about our paper of new concept of fine crushing and grinding. Actually it's about Botley's formuliness. So it's very informative. Just in 2021, we'd like to use our very good advanced Botley's mill lining technology and very good advanced grinding ball selection. Yes, to serve for your cement and mining grinding process. Okay, so any comments, any inquiries, please send to us by emails and by WhatsApp, or just follow us, and we'd like to make a very good discussion with you. Okay, thank you. Thanks, Hu Zhen. Okay, thank you. So now let's move to the next live show. Welcome to our colleague, Catherine. Okay. So. Okay, Jane. Okay, just make a photo for us. Then we will move to the next speech. Okay. So Joyce, Catherine, also come here. Okay, move to the next page to make another photo. Next. Botley's formuliner. Good. Okay, good. Okay, so just come here to make another photo for this topic. Okay, come here. Okay, come here. Okay, thank you. Okay, so my colleague Catherine will prepare for her next live show. Her topic is about metal balls. So what now she is preparing for her PPT, and we just waiting here. Okay, so today Catherine will introduce the metallic balls for us, and her speech is also very informative, and she will bring the balls, the material grade is about titanium balls and aluminum balls, and also some cast balls, grinding balls. Yes, very informative. So we look forward to her speech. Okay, so welcome, Catherine. Okay, so you just deliver deliver this. Okay, just wait here. Okay, so welcome, Catherine.
Hello everyone, my name is Catherine. I'm from China. Welcome to our live show about metal balls. Firstly, I wish all my friends Happy Chinese New Year. Today my topic is metal balls. I divided it into 4 parts. The first part is titanium balls, and the second part is stainless steel balls, and the third part is cast balls, and the fourth part is forged balls. The introduction of titanium balls. Titanium and its alloys are characterized by lightweight, high strength, strong heat resistance, and corrosion resistance. It's known as the metal of the future. It is a new structural material with a promising future. Titanium is widely used in aerospace, chemical, medical, metallurgy, construction, and automobile industry because of its good corrosion resistance and heat resistance, high specific strength, small elastic, and low density. The application of titanium in the aerospace field is mainly used in aircraft engine parts, aircraft structure parts of each part. In the chemical industry, it is mainly used for reactor heat exchanger, reactor concentrator, and various anti-corrosion chemical accessories, steering shaft flange, and some parts. In the metallurgical industry, it's mainly used in corrosion-resistant fixtures, various pumps, and valves.
Catherine. Okay, so move here. Yes. Okay, good.
Tubular-blade coupling fittings. In the medical field, it is mainly used for surgical implants and other medical materials. It can also be used for car parts, bicycle frames, and building roofs and decoration. Here are some photos of titanic balls. This is titanic balls. You can have a look at. Titanium. There are some introduction of titanium balls. Titanium balls can be used for different purposes according to their materials and specification. They can be used for junior and human puncture. They can also be used in the medical industry, and the material in TC4 grade 23. Shunt devices in exit and offline environment titanium alloy balls are used as sealing balls. At present, the industrial method of titanium production is through method. The product is sponge titanium. The traditional process for making titanium materials to melt titanium sponge into ingot and then process it into titanium material. The main step from leaving to making titanium material are as follows. Titanium mineral processing, enrichment, rich titanium material to concentrate carried through the titanium 14 refining, pure titanium 14 matrix reduction, titanium sponge and fused cast ingot processing, titanium or titanium components. The process from mining to making titanium. In the above steps, if the rutile is obtained from the mining, the concentration is not required, and the production is crude titanium 14 can be made directly by carination. In addition, the casting operation should be a metallurgical process, but sometimes it is also classified as a processing craft. Here are some photos of making titanium balls. Here are some they are testing and packing the titanium balls. Processing technology, lacing processing into a round black ball, and then reading out a certain degree of roundness. After manual polishing, the surface will achieve the mirror effect. This is our quality certification. You can see the visual inspection and the ultrasonic inspection, and the dimensional inspection is also acceptable. This is also our quality certification. The price list of titanium balls. The diameter 3. The price is 0.14 US dollars. This is grade 5. Okay, the next part is stainless steel balls. Principle of stainless steel. Stainless steel is not rustless, just not easy to rust. The principle of which is with a chromium element to add in the steel surface to form a layer of dense chromic oxide layer, can effectively block steel again, contact with air. Makes oxygen in the air cannot enter inside the steel, and the effect of steel to prevent rust. Classification: China National Standard (CNS), Japanese Industrial Standard (JIS). Stainless steel balls. Performance: hardness up to 56 to 58 degrees. Magnetic, good corrosion resistance, wear resistance, and hardness. Application: mainly used in bearing, stamping, valves, seals, refrigeration equipment, aerospace high precision machinery parts, crafts, toys. Specification: 0.5 to 100 millimeters. Application: 440 stainless steel ball is usually used in industries requiring high precision and rust resistance. Aerospace bearing motors, high precision instruments, valves, petroleum. Characteristics: the metrographic structure belongs to martinez steel. The production process requirements are higher. The domestic production of stainless steel 4,400 enterprises are relatively few. So the production of 440 C materials enterprises are often labeled with the reputation of special stainless steel. The heat treatment process is more complex, easy to correct, and the pressure requirements are higher. In the hardest steel ball of a stainless steel ball, HRC 558. Hardness is close to the bearing steel ball, but has stronger anti-rust and anti-corrosion performance than the former. Compared with 440 stainless steel ball, it has stronger anti-rust, anti-corrosion performance, hardness enhanced, while resistance also has been improved. Practice: hardness up to 51 to 52 degrees, corrosion resistance and toughness. Application suitable for all kinds of brushing machinery, bearings, electrical equipment, means of transportation, household appliances. It is mainly used for parts and components, resistant to atmospheric steam, water, and oxidizing acid corrosion. .420 stainless steel balls. Specification 2.2 25.4. Application: 420 stainless steel balls are usually used in industries with high requirements on precision and rust resistance, motorcycle parts, pulleys, stainless steel bearing, plastic bearings, crafts, bars, and antler. Characteristics: commonly known as stainless iron, magnetic, good rust resistance, high hardness, HRC 40 to 55. .304 and HC stainless steel balls. Practice: hardness less than or equal to 28 degrees, non-magnetic after degaussing, strong rust resistance, salt water in washing for a long time is not easy to rust. Application: mainly used in medical device, baby bottles, valves, electronic components. 304 stainless steel ball is the most widely used ball on the market. Can be used in medical equipment, chemical industry, aviation, aerospace, plastic hardware, sprayers, nail polish, motor, switch, electric washing machine, refrigerator, air conditioners, and bottles. His characteristic: a typical representative of austenitic steel, general non-magnetic, but magnetic after passing through the photospheric, has a good anti-rust, anti-corrosion properties. 304 HC stainless steel ball is softer than 304 stainless steel ball, easier to process, and the 304 L stainless steel balls than both of above have stronger anti-rust and anti-corrosion performance, easy to weld, excellent polishing, more suitable for the service requirements of higher industry. 316L stainless steel balls. Properties: hardness less than or equal to 28 degrees. No magnetism after degaussing. Strong rust resistance. No corrosion. Application: mainly used in medical equipment, food machinery, cosmetic accessories, human body accessories, instrumentation. His application: 316 stainless steel ball is a product with high requirements, usually used in special industries such as medical equipment, chemical, aviation, aerospace, perfume bottle, sprayer, nail polish, body ornament, mobile phones, panel, captures. It is the most high-grade steel ball industry at present. HRC less than or equal to 26 is the most suitable for the industry with high anti-corrosion requirements, and its performance is superior to 304 stainless steel ball. (201) stainless steel ball. Properties: hardness less than or equal to 26 degrees. No magnetism after degaussing. Stainless steel ball. 2001. It's mainly used in general hardware accessories, household appliances, accessories, stamping stainless steel. Application: it is widely used in various hardware industry, crafts, plastic products, such as lamps, motorcycle accessories, cases and bags, bearing, die casting. Factors: it belongs to nickel serving steel, non-magnetic with a low price and excellent performance, can be machined while treated. HRC less than or equal to 28. Note: 201 stainless steel ball cannot be used in rust. Corrosion resistance industry such as seawater or acid substance. (301) (302) stainless steel balls. Application: 302 stainless steel ball is widely used in auto parts, aviation, aerospace, hardware tools, chemical industry. The details are as follows: arts and crafts, bearing pulleys, medical instruments, drawings, electrical applicants. Characteristic: 302 stainless steel ball belongs to austenitic steel, which is close to 304, but 302 has higher hardness. HRC is less than or equal to 28, with good rust and corrosion resistance. It is the price list of stainless steel balls. Less than 50 kilograms. The price is $6.9 per kilogram. When more than 50 kilograms, the price is $6.55 kilograms. And more than 1,000 kilograms, the price is $5.9 per kilogram. The introduction of high chromium alloy castballs. High chromium alloy castball, simply called high chromium ball. Most domestic wear-resistant materials enterprises are mainly based on the intermediate frequency electronics. By smelting the high-quality screen and the chromium alloy materials at reasonable matching and microalloying and tempering the molten iron and adding unique metal molds and sand molds. Casting molding process, then after high temperature quenching tempering treatment to obtain mark-site matrix in order to achieve higher hardness and wear resistance. Application of castballs. High chromium alloy castballs are widely used in powder preparation and ultra-fine deep processing of industry, such as cement building materials, metal mines, coal slurry power, chemical engineering, light industry, paper making, and other industries. The product has hard hardness, low accuracy, good toughness, and less scratching. During use, the surface hardness of the spear will be further improved and the wear resistance will be enhanced. At the same time, the production capacity of the mill will be improved and the specific surface area of cement and the recovery rate of concentrate will be improved. HRC of castballs. In terms of chemical composition, there are dozens of different materials from low chromium or high chromium, which can be described as a wide variety. In order to standardize the industry standards and let people have a clear understanding of chromium alloy castballs, the national standard for casting grading balls stipulates and that the low chromium balls is percentage 1 to percentage 3. High chromium alloy castballs. Most of the grading media used in my country's cement industry are mainly high chromium balls with a continuous development of cement grading technology. The specific surface area and the fineness requirements of cement are more than beneficial. At the cement company, it is particularly important to select the correct materials for the grading body. The abrasive body with high abrasion resistance not only improves the grading efficiency, reduces the time of stopping and replenishing the ball and the number of opening and closing while maintaining the gradation unchanged for a long time, but also extends the clearance period and reduces the labor intensity of workers. It is of great significance to produce at the table, ensure the quality of the abrasive, and reduce the power consumption and the consumption of the grading body. This is our price list of 12 castballs. The diameter in 100 and the price is 1,069 US dollars per ton. And diameter in 80 millimeters. The price is $1,079 per ton. The last part is forging balls. The production process of forging balls. The raw materials of forging ball is a round steel rod of various specifications. The steel rod needs to be cut to reach the technically required length. The cut fixed size steel rod will be sent to the natural gas heating furnace by mechanical or manual and heated to the appropriate temperature. The steel rod heated to a suitable temperature is sent to the forging device and forged into a ball. After the steel ball is forged, it also needs to undergo specific heat treatment in order to achieve the required hardness. After heat treatment, the steel ball needs to be tested to see if it is due to required hardness and whether special treatment is required. There are usually two packaging methods for finished steel balls. Iron drums, usually 850 kilograms steel balls. Home bags, 1 home per bag. After the packaging is completed, the steel balls are usually placed in the designated area, waiting for the delivery. This is our chemical composting of forged balls. If you want to know more about these products, you can send us the inquiry. Application fields of forged balls: ball mills, mineral, processing equipment, ball mills, power plant ball mills, cement plant ball mills. In short, ball mill equipment balls account for more than 90% of the total ball application. The surface of the iron products can be used on the wrought iron products by special treatments, such as electroplating, spraying, to play a certain decorative role. The surface of the bearing ball can be used in bearing after being polished. This is our price list of forged balls: 55 steel, 45 steel, and B2. Such as the diameter is 60 millimeter. The price is $879 per ton, and the B2 is $949 per ton. Okay, today my topic is about for metal balls. If you want our products, you can send us inquiries.
So thank you for Catherine's live show about metal balls.再近一点，还有上面是这个。
Welcome to my college, Shelly. Hello. Hello everyone. especially from in China. Welcome to our lecture today about cobalt alloy and dental alloy. Today I will introduce two parts. The first one is cobalt alloy, and the second one is dental alloy. For cobalt alloy, I'd like to introduce standard balls and seats. The first, the material of the stanite. Stanite is a hard alloy that can withstand various types of the wear and corrosion and high temperature oxidation, commonly known as the cobalt, chromium, and the tungsten or cobalt-based alloy. Stanite is based on cobalt as the main component. Amount of nickel, chromium, and tungsten. Please check this table for material. For composition, such as stanite 3, stanite 4, 6, 5, and 20. Okay. The next, the products for stanite. The first one is stanite balls. The stanite ball is cobalt alloy. The hardness is HRC 45 to HRC 55. The most used material is stanite 20. This photo is cobalt alloy. The second one is stanite 6. The material of the stanite 6 is generally known as the material of the stanite balls. The material is stanite 3 or A3. This photo is stanite 6. The next, the photos for stanite balls and 6. The next, I prepare some videos for you. This video for stanite balls. The next video is real process for stanite balls. The next, the package photos for stanite balls and seeds. You can see these photos. We have two types package. One is cotton, the other is wooden box. The next, test report for stanite balls and seeds. You can see this test report. The material is A3, and the size is diameter 31.75 millimeter. The next is chemical composition. For carbide, it's about 2.95, and for chromium, it's about 33.79. For nickel, it's about 1.95. For tungsten, it's about 18.1. And the cobalt is balanced. And the hardness is 59 HSC. The next is size for standard boards and seats. This table is size for boards and seats. For cobalt alloy boards, the specification is diameter 15.98 millimeter. The unit weight is 18 grams. The diameter 19.05 millimeter. The unit weight is 30 grams. For diameter 23.83 millimeter. The unit weight is 15 grams. The diameter 25.4 millimeter. The unit weight is 61 grams. The diameter 28.575 millimeter. The unit weight is 105 grams. The diameter 31.75 millimeter. The unit weight is 135 grams. The diameter 34.925 millimeter. The unit weight is 195 grams. The diameter 42.88 millimeter. The unit weight is 253 grams. The diameter 50.8 millimeter. The unit weight is 400 grams. The next for cobalt alloy seats. The standard is API V11 to 100 to 125. The board size is diameter 19.05 millimeter, and the seat size is diameter is 23.32 millimeter, and the inner diameter is 13.97 millimeter, and the height is 12.7 millimeter. And another standard is API V13 to 175. The ball size is diameter 28.58 millimeter, and the seat size is diameter is 35.86 millimeter, and the inner diameter is 20.96 millimeter, and the height is 12.7 millimeter. Other standard is V11 to 200, and V11 to 225, and V11 to 250. About material. For cobalt alloy boards, the material is standard 20. For cobalt alloy seats, the material is standard 3. The next, I prepare some samples for you. You can see this product is standard boards. The material is standard 20, and the size is diameter 50.8 millimeter, and the surface is G100. This one is cobalt alloy 6. The material is standard 3 or A3. Okay, the next is the name of the export for standard bars and 6. We have exported standard bars and 6 to many countries, such as the USA, UK, Italy, Spain, Brazil, and Australia, and other countries. Our customers have very good feedback on our standard bars and seats. If you have any inquiry for standard bars and seats, please follow us our shirt. I would like to get for you as soon as possible. Thank you. The next is nickel and cobalt dental alloy. The first chemical composition for dental alloy. The casting process of dental alloy parts is investment casting, also known as master wax casting method. The basic process is to first make a wax model from wax or plastic. The surface of the wax model is coated with an embedding material to make the casting model, and then the molten alloy is cast into the casting cavity inside, forming a casting. For chemical composition, you can see this PPT has two tables. This one is cobalt chromium dental alloy. The chromium is about 27 to 30%. For carbide is about 0.2 to 0.26%, and the cobalt is balanced. This one is nickel chromium dental alloy. For carbide is less than 0.05%. For chromium is 22 to 26%. For iron is less than 2%, and the nickel is balanced. The next, demand distribution for dental alloy. The market for dental alloy is very broad because of the widespread dental industry. The demand for dental alloy has increased. As we all know, there are many kinds of dental alloy material. Today, I'd like to show some demand for dental alloy for various materials. You can see this photo. The first one, nickel dental alloy, accounted for 59% of the world. The second is cobalt dental alloy, accounted for 31% of the world. The third is nickel beryllium containing dental alloy, accounted for 7% of the world. at last. Others accounted for 3% of the world. The next photos for dental alloy. These photos is expert manufacturers. The next some videos for dental alloy. This video is for nickel chromium dental alloy. The size is diameter 9.6 millimeter, and the length is 6 millimeter. The next video is cobalt chromium dental alloy. Okay, the next I will share some samples for you. This product is our sample. This one is nickel chromium dental alloy. You can see the material is nickel chromium dental alloy. The size is diameter 9.6 millimeter, and the height is 6 millimeter. This one is cobalt chromium dental alloy. You can see the material is cobalt chromium, and the size is diameter 6 millimeter, and the length is 5 millimeter. Okay. Okay, if you have any inquiry for dental alloy, please follow us our shop. Would like to get for you as soon as possible. Thank you. That's all for my speech now. Thank you for your valuable time. Welcome to our next live show. Thank you. Welcome to our colleague Joyce. This is Joyce from. Today I will introduce you. First, I want to wish you happy Chinese New Year, and then I will
introduce the ductile iron manhole cover produced by our company. First, I will introduce the advantages of ductile iron. First, it has good toughness. The impact value is similar to that of medium carbon steel, and which is more than 10 times of real iron Z. It has high strength. The tensile strength is more than 420 MPa. The yield strength is more than 300 MPa. The same as low carbon steel, 3 times the real iron Z, and it has good elastic. The elongation is more than 7%. Similar to high carbon steel, but real iron Z elongation is almost zero. It also has strong corrosion resistance. In the water-spray corrosion test, the corrosion amount in 90 days is only 1/40 of the steel pipe and 1/10 of the real iron pipe. The service life is twice that of real iron pipe and 5 times that of ordinary steel pipe. And it also has good damping and low cost. Because of the modular graphite macro structure of modular cast iron, it is superior to cast steel in reducing vibration. Important reason for choosing superior order graphite cast iron is such kind of cast iron that has a lower cost than cast steel. The low cost of modular cast iron makes this material more popular, and the casting efficiency is higher. The machining cost of modular cast iron is also reduced. Next, I will introduce you some characteristics of ductile iron manhole covers. First, it is no noise steering service. In line with environmental requirements, the contact surface between the body and the ring is almost zero. We adopt a third process to assure 100% seamless match to eliminate the noise when the vehicles are passing by. The tensile strength, toughness, strong bearing force. The above three are several times that of ordinary cast iron, which are close to the material of steel. The carrying capacity is much better than the national standard. As you know, our national standard is 360 kN. It can withstand all kinds of heavy truck rolling. It can efficiently prevent the accidents from the failure of manhole covers. It is very safety. The integrated connection of our ductile iron manhole covers will not fall off the ground and will not shift. It is non-slip cast process. The exquisite non-slip casting technology makes our production lines clear, and the unique non-slip pattern on the surface of manhole covers increase the friction to prevent pedestrians from slipping due to rain, snow, and ice.
长这么长时间，结束。可以看到现在这个呀，它的图标。
bigger bearing capacity, better anti-septic capacity, and better fixing performance. It will not be lifted or washed away by rainwater during heavy rain. The material is generally cast iron with a gap in the middle to facilitate the smooth flow of water into the well. And there is generally a row of strong sticks to block dirt or other debris. It is easy construction, light in weight, better in load bearing, impact resistant, anti-bending. It is also very beautiful and durable after hot deep scenic treatment. It is better anti-corrosion. We adopt hinge meshing or hook meshing, which is easy to open and has anti-center function. You can see on our screen, this table is the standard of the manhole cover. Our manhole covers comply with EN 124 standard. For A15, the bearing capacity is about 1.5 tons. The application fuel is battery and bicycles. For 125, the bearing capacity is about 12.5 tons. The application fields are fuel spaces, testing areas, car parks, or parking platforms. For C220, the bearing capacity is about 25 tons. For this kind manhole cover, it is very suitable for beaches besides the road. For D400, the bearing capacity is about 40 tons. The application fields are roadway, carriageway, classroom, and the parking area. For E600, the bearing capacity is about 60 tons. It is suitable for aircraft hangars and fighter runways. For F900, the bearing capacity is about 19 tons, and it is very suitable for airstrip. Now I will recommend some kinds of manhole covers to you. If you need the bearing capacity about 1.5 tons, the bearing for the bearing consists of the first one. For this one, the out diameter is 600 millimeter. The cover diameter is 280 millimeter. The clear opening is 245 millimeter. The depth is 25 millimeter, and the unit weight is about 6.5 kilograms. Another one. For this one, the out diameter is 500 millimeter. The cover diameter is about 390 millimeter. For this one, the depth is 60 millimeter, and the unit weight is about 18.5 kilograms. If you need the bearing capacity about 12.5 tons, I recommend two kinds too. The first one, this shape is round, and the out diameter is 750 millimeter. The cover diameter is 600 millimeter. The clear opening is 570 millimeter. the unit weight is 34 kilogram. For another one, this one is square. The output diameter is 400 millimeter. The cover diameter is 340 millimeter. The clear opening is 300 millimeter, and the depth is 30 millimeter. For this one, the unit weight is 9 kilograms.
快快，我们来录个视频。你们快，还有几分钟？还有5分钟，快快，快先准备。
说点那个，我也没有。
你先继续，我们现在在排队。
If you need the bearing capacity about 40 pounds, the outer diameter is 600 and 14 millimeter. The cover diameter is 500 millimeter. The depth for this one is 100 millimeter, and the unit weight is about 58 kilograms.
赶紧，时间没有了，直播那里。还有什么？那上面还有。
For the time, I only introduce.
快排呀，都时间没有了，快！
长明肉我没讲，我还没讲完呢。
快！看怎么样？在哪儿拍？
可以的，
侧了，弄紧一点。
差不多。
这个后面要不要改一下？
不用了。
不要改了，来不及了。
1、2、3。
哦，我就说 EB China wish you a happy Chinese New Year 是吧？先这样说来。
1、2、3，开始。
EB China wish you happy Chinese New Year。可以啊。来，你再给拍一下，沈涛，你拍，让贾斯拍。快，怎么拍？快！
我帮你弄好，取好景。弄好，就这样。哦，不要。
视频。
啰嗦死了。视频还是啥？
视频。
视频啊。
再来一遍。
再好，快点。
好，来。
对。
EB China wish you happy Chinese New Year。可以啊。
要拍照吗？
拍照，来个手势吧。举一下小牛。
1、2、3，牛。跟我堵住脸呢。1、2、3，牛。好了。
好了，看怎么样？
肯定好，你看，一只猴蛋给我拍的2张。
好，这从孩子们只有你再来没有关。
还有4分钟呢，就
没上面讲。
继续。
Next, I will introduce some kinds of beer covers to you. First, if you need the bearing capacity of 1.5 tons, the first one I recommend you is for this one, the length is 500 millimeter, the width is 300 millimeter. The depth is 27 millimeter, and the weight is 6.5 kilogram. For the bearing capacity of 12.5 tons. For this one, the depth I recommend you is 15 millimeter. The unit weight is 30 kilogram. If you use the bearing capacity of 25 tons. For this one, the width is 465 millimeter. The length is 600 millimeter. And the depth is 40 millimeter. The unit weight for this one is about 23.5 kilogram. The last one. For this one, the bearing capacity is about 40 tons. The weight for this one line is 295 millimeter. The length is 760 millimeter. Now I will show some videos to you. This is our production plant. This is our factory smelting furnace. You can see in the screen, in the video, we are powering.
那这个是什么派的？什么派的？什么派章？
Next is a video of our flow chart.
结束了。结束了。
Thanks for your wonderful speech.
跟我讲的话。